This video is about how to create a simple job biodata format like this. I will give the direct download link of this biodata format in below video description. Just click on that link and you can download this job biodata. Let's see how to make it. To create a job biodata format, open your MS Word and click on File and click on New Document. Now type Biodata. Now bold the text and align it to the center and change the font to Arial or whatever the font you like and increase the font size to 16. Now press enter so that you can add further text, and if you want to add any bottom border, just go to the borders option here and click on bottom border. And if you want to change the border styling, click on borders and shading. Now change the border type to this border, and if you want to change the color, change it to any color which you want and click on OK. Now again click on the bottom border and the border will change, and align the text to the left side. Now enter the required information, change the font size to 14 and remove the bold setting here. Now type the information like name, mobile number, email ID, gender and other required information. See, I have added all the required information like name, mobile number, email ID, father's name, gender, date of birth, marital status, religion, languages known. Next we will add education and experience details as well, but before that we have to format this. See here, first we need to align all these semicolons to the center. For that what we have to do is just put the cursor before the semicolon and press the tab button 3 times so that the semicolons, all the semicolons will be aligned to the center so that the biodata format looks nice. Once you put all the semicolons aligned, now you can add the information of yours. After adding the information, it will look like this. Next we need to add the qualification or education details. If you want to bold and underline, you can do that, but it is not mandatory. Now we need to add a table like this. See, in this table you can see 4 rows and 4 columns. To add table like that, go to insert and click on table and select 4 rows and 4 columns here. You can see 4 into 4 table. Now click on that. To change the table border like this, select the table here and go to the borders and click on borders and shading, and here you can see a dotted border. And you can change the color as well. Select any color which you want and click on OK. Now again go to the borders and click on all borders. See, now the border has changed and it looks nice. Now add all the required details like education, remove the select enter table and remove the underlines and bold settings. You can bold just the headers. After adding the education, enter institution name. Now enter year of pass and finally enter marks. Now add all the required information here. After adding all the required information, the table will look like this. If you want to adjust the widths of the columns, just click on the lines and you can adjust the widths. Now we have added the qualification. Now we need to add the experience. For that, enter experience. See, there is a very little gap between the table and the next side heading like experience. To increase the space, what we have to do is go to this line spacing option, and here you can see add space before paragraph. Now click on that so that the space will be added before the heading. You can write your experience like this: working as a computer operator at ABC Private Limited, and mention the date from which you are working. If you want to make it a bullet list, just go to the bullet list here and click on any bullet type you want. Now we need to add our address details, and here you don't need to highlight this. Just remove the bold and underline because the qualification and experience details are most important in any biodata or resume. So I have bolded and added underlines to these details only. After adding your address details, it will look like this. Now we need to put a simple declaration. You can add a declaration like, I hereby declare that all the information provided here is true to the best of my knowledge and belief. See here, when we added the declaration, it has opened a new page, but I want everything to fit in the one page, so I have to reduce the gap between these details. So there is so much gap between each line, so I have to reduce the gap. So select all these details and go to the line spacing option and click on 1.15 so that the space will be reduced. Similarly here also under experience, the space is a little higher, so I am reducing the space to 1.15. Again to the address. So now after adding the declaration, you need to enter the place and the date, and again press the tab button, and here you can put your signature. Whenever you are submitting this job biodata format, you can add the place. Suppose I am staying in Visakhapatnam, so Visakhapatnam, and the date that I am submitting is 17 October 2024, and under signature you can type your name or you can take a printout and you can sign it manually. After adding all these details, you have to insert your passport size photograph. For that, click on insert and go to the pictures and select picture from file. To adjust the photo, select the photo and go to the wrap text here and click on behind text and reduce the photo size and bring it to the top right hand side. So remember this option wrap text, because most of the times we will face problem in adjusting the photograph. Either you need to select behind text or in front of text. I will recommend you to select behind text so that it becomes easy to adjust the photo on your biodata. And if you want to add border to your image, just click on picture border under picture format option. If you select image only, then only this option will be available to you. Select picture border and select the weight. That means the weight of the border. Select 1 pt and select whatever the color you want. So like this you can add a border to the image. So this is a simple job biodata format which you can create easily. You don't need to do all these things. I will give the direct download link. You can download it from the Google Drive link. I hope you like this video. For more videos like this, please share and subscribe to HR Cabin.